Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Elama. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make your yummy chicken meatballs at home. So whether you're a first timer or you've made it before, please watch this video to the end because I'm sure you're going to learn one or two. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is the minced chicken, 2 packs. I've taken from here before, so that is it. And this is parsley. This is parsley. And if you don't want to use parsley, you can also use curry leaf as well, fresh curry leaf, basil leaf. So this is my pot of fresh curry leaf. I can use this if I don't want to use parsley. Okay, parsley, my seasoning cube, garlic powder. I'm using 2 types of onions, the red and white one. You can use either of them, but I just want to mix it. Yeah, I have my thyme and curry. Okay, and of course this is my mixing bowl. All right, so I'm going to prep all of this and we'll start preparing it. Okay. So guys, just cut the onions into tiny bits. Okay, it doesn't have to be big, so that, so that when you're molding the meat, the onions won't be sticking out here and there. We cut the parsley. So all done, ready. Okay, so in my mixing bowl, it seems like this bowl is small for this meat. Let me change it, guys. Yeah, I think this is better. I'll add the seasoning cubes. Add some thyme. Add the curry. Add garlic powder. If you have fresh garlic, you can blend it and use it as well. Add white pepper. Add the onions. Add the parsley. Just add everything. And then mix everything well. Mix it well. Mix. Sorry guys, I forgot this one. This is chicken jumbo stock. Okay, chicken jumbo stock. So I'm just going to add a little of that as well. Okay, and that is it. So you can add a tiny bit of salt as well if you want, but I'm not adding any salt here. That chicken jumbo stock is okay for me, and the seasoning, no salt. So just mix. Well, this one you don't taste for salt, but if you can taste, but for me, no. So 2 things, guys: either you cover it with a cling film, put in your freezer, allow it to sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, you can even sit for longer. It depends on when you want to make it, or you make it immediately. Okay. But for this one, I'm going to make it immediately. Okay, so let's continue. So here I have my baking tray. So we'll start molding the meatballs, guys. Not really molding. As you take the quantity you want, just do it like this, just like this. So as you take it, just loose like that, so that the inside will be able to cook. Okay, just like that. And we keep it. Okay, so this is the last one. So after molding, I'll put it in a preheated oven set at 150F, or you can set it a little bit lower, so that the meatballs will start cooking slowly, and that's it cooking. The heat will really penetrate inside and cook both the inside and outside evenly. Guys, as a first timer, try not to set your heat so high. If not, even though the outside and the inside will cook, but the outside will be so hard that you won't enjoy it. It will be difficult for you to chew. You won't enjoy it, I can tell you. So set it lower, I advise, and then the next thing, after 30 minutes, as you can see me do, just flip them over to the other side, okay, so that the both sides will cook evenly. Then after turning them around like this, just put it back in the oven and let it sit for about another 20-25 minutes, okay. Okay guys, so after about 20-25 minutes, we'll come back to it. As you can see how it's looking. So now I'll just keep it aside and allow it to cool completely, okay. But then again, I have to test first. See, it's still very hot, so test it. And guys, I tell you, this tastes so good. Okay, so when it has cooled completely, I'll just bring a bowl or Ziploc bag, anything, just put all of them and then put it in my freezer, okay, and use when I need it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next